Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to remove still images and video from your Apple iTouch or iPhone. If you are on any type of PC computer, this is not a tutorial for you. Please check my channel for the PC version of this tutorial since I'm planning on doing one in the near future. With that stated, we can now begin the tutorial. The first step in order to remove the video and still image files from your Apple iTouch or iPhone is to plug in the USB cord that came with your iTouch or iPhone into the device. Once the USB is plugged into your Apple iTouch or iPhone, you now need to plug the other end into your Macintosh computer. Since our device is now hooked up to the computer, we need to open up the program Image Capture in order to take off our video and still images. To open up Image Capture, we need to go up to the Spotlight menu, which is a magnifying glass in the top right hand corner of your screen, and select it with the left mouse button. A search bar should appear that says Spotlight to the left of it. In the search bar, select it with your left mouse button so that way the cursor appears in the search bar. Now since the cursor appeared, all we have to do is type in capture. Alright, now since I already typed in image, the program came up. It should have a little camera icon next to the name Image Capture. If the program doesn't appear when you just put an image like it did for me, you might need to type in the full name. So space capture. There, that way it came up under Applications, and for me it came under Top Hit. Once Image Captures appears in the drop-down menu, select it with your left mouse button. Alright, now with our Image Capture program open, we can begin taking off the video and still image files that we wish from our Apple iTouch or iPhone. Let me make this program bigger for you so it'd be easier to see in the tutorial. Now you can see here, in the main area of Image Capture, it shows all the video and still image files that I have on my Apple iTouch. If you do not have any images or video files showing, you may need to select your device on the top right hand corner underneath the menu Devices. In order to select your device, you need to click on it with the left mouse button. Your device should be highlighted in a light blue hue. After your device that you wish to take the images and video files from is highlighted in a light blue hue, you can now go over to this main area of Image Capture and start selecting with the left mouse button which images and video files you want to take off. To select the images and video files you wish to have imported into your Macintosh computer, just select them with your left mouse button. If you are going to import more than one image into your Macintosh computer, make sure to hold down the Command key so that way your Mac remembers what images you wish to have imported. So holding down the Command key, I'm going to select some more images. Here's a video file, so I'm going to import that. And then down here, you could scroll up and down. It will still remain selected, your images. These are the images I wish to have imported onto my Macintosh computer. With the images selected, we can now go down to Import To. You can see here to the right of Import To is the destination of which Image Capture is going to put our images into. To change the Import To's destination, all you have to do is left click the selected destination and choose another destination. Like here's Desktop, Documents, or if you wish to choose your own destination, like if you have a folder made on your desktop, all you have to do is select Other with your left mouse button, and a drop-down menu should appear. From here, you can now select your direct location. So I'm going to choose the actual file that I have for this tutorial, and I'm going to say Import my video and still image files directly into this folder. And I'm going to select Choose with my left mouse button. Now, Import To has the name of the folder that I'm having my files imported to. Alright, now with that set, all we have to do is go to Import. If we select Import with our left mouse button, it will only import the selected images and video files. However, if we wanted to import everything from our Apple iTouch or iPhone, we could just select Import All, and the computer will import every single image and video file that we have on our Apple iTouch or iPhone. But however, since I want these 8 images, I'm going to just select import. We can see here, down in the bottom left, that it's telling us which images and video files it's currently importing. Once the name of the images and video files has disappeared, that means image capture is completely done importing our video files. Alright, now let's go to our destination and see if image capture correctly placed all of the images and video files I wanted into that folder. Alright, now select the folder I have for it, and here they are. Let me highlight them. There you go. There we go. Open them up for you guys. Here's pictures of a corn dog that thinks it's a bug or a wiener dog. Alright, those are the images I wanted. Now let's try the video file. Alright, looks like it worked. Yep, there's our corn dog. So everything looked good. With our images and video files correctly imported into our destination, that concludes this video tutorial on how to import still images and video from an Apple iTouch or iPhone onto a Macintosh computer. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video tutorial.